All right, y'all, here we go. It's your man DJ Real One. I usually don't get on camera. I usually don't do unboxing videos, but I was so geeked, so excited about this new joint, the Roland Sp 404 MK2 Mark II, whatever you want to call it. Um, all I'm doing is just hopping on here and gonna unbox this bad boy very quickly. You know, a lot of cats out there are doing videos about how to work the machine. You know, I'm not an expert, but I am an expert at cutting boxes, as you can see here. So with that being said, let's see what's going on inside of here. Been waiting a minute to do this. It was on back order, so here we go. Okay. MK2. Let's check it out. Let's unbox this bad boy. Oh. Okay, there you go. Amazing packaging. Very nice how it comes out like that. Of course, you already know, got the manuals. I don't know who reads those, not me. So, MK2 adapter. And of course, what we all been waiting for. Oh man, that's really small. Before this, I had the SP404 A. Oh my god. But now I upgraded, and there you have it. The SP404 MK2. It's amazing. Wow. It's beautiful, man. It is very impressive. Very lightweight too. I'm going to travel with this, so this can fit in my carry-on. And of course it's battery powered, so you could throw some batteries in there. And you got the SD on the back there. Really, that's about it, man. This thing is awesome. I'm going to plug it in and light it up real quick, press a few buttons, and then get back to the video. Okay, so here's a better look at it. You got the line out. You can actually put a mono as well as left and right. You got the MIDI in and out. Now that's pretty amazing. The USB-C. There's your power and your DC in. Okay. You got your controllers here. You got 3 of them. You know, these would obviously be for the effects and other things. There's your effects buttons there. This thing has a lot going on here. It's going to take me a minute to learn this bad boy. Your headphones, gain, and you can put an input there for a mic or a guitar. And there's your SD card slot. This side has nothing. So I'm just going to plug this in. Like I said, this is an unboxing video, and this is obviously the first time I've ever even plugged it in. So y'all are with me, and we are going to plug in the power. Let's see what happens when we power this bad boy up. Okay, there we go. That looks cool, man. Looks very interesting. Now, obviously, they did not include a SD card, so I don't have any of my beats in here. Like I said, this is the first time that I'm turning it on. There's your filter, resonator. This is not a tutorial at all. This is not even a review. It's literally an unboxing, if you hadn't noticed by now. So if you're still tuned in, thank you for watching. And there are some sounds that come with the machine because I don't have a SD card in there. So let's see what they got on here. A static effect. All right, so that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna make this video too long because I really just wanted to open it up and show you exactly how it looks, and it's pretty impressive. Hopefully I'll make another video actually showing me doing my thing on it. I'm not the SP master. When it comes to MPCX, that's another story. I'm pretty skilled on that machine. So if you want to watch more videos, just scroll through my channel. I got a couple on there. But thank you for watching, and hopefully everybody enjoyed this unboxing video. Peace.